Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope that you all are safe, sound well and fine at your home. Today in this video lesson, first we are going to discuss about yesterday's homework, that was page number 1 of chapter number 1, alphabetical order, and here are the answers. So let us check it. The first IBL question which I had given you was, what is the 20th letter of the alphabet? And it was T. Then after, what is the 15th letter of the alphabet? It's O. Now put the following words in the alphabetical order. First we had already done, and the next I had written here. Please check it with your answers. The first one of fourth is chain, then chair, then chance, then change, then chase. Fifth one is craft, cramp, crat, crazy, crack. Drab, drain, drama, drip, drop. Flick, flight, flinch, flood, fluke. Scram, scrap, scratch, screech, scroll. I hope that all of your answers are correct. Now please open chapter number 2 of your worksheet and let's get started with our chapter number 2, that is sentences. Sentences. So dear kids, what are sentences? Sentences are group of words that make complete sense. ये हमने पहले भी पढ़ा है, पुराने चैप्टर्स जब हम कर रहे थे ग्रामर के तब हमने किया था, तो अभी हम इसको रिवाइज करेंगे. चलो, इसके टाइप्स भी होते हैं, तो कौन कौन से टाइप्स होते हैं देख लेते हैं. टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. देयर आर 4 टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस that are used differently and have their own punctuation mark. अब चारों टाइप अलग अलग होते हैं और सबके मार्क्स भी अलग अलग होते हैं. वो लिखने के पहले हम पहले सेंटेंस का डेफिनेशन लिख लेते हैं. यहाँ पे स्पेस दिए, वहां पे लिख सकते हैं आप. ओके, तो लिखो, सेंटेंसेस आर ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड. सेंटेंसेस आर ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड that make complete sense. All right, now let us see the examples and the meaning of types of sentences. Declarative sentences. So dear kids, declarative sentence को हम assertive sentence भी बोलते हैं. So make arrow and write it down. Assertive. A-S-S-E-R-T-I-V-E. Assertive sentence. डिक्लेरेटिव और एजर्टिव सेंटेंस, इसके 2 नेम्स है. या तो हम इसको एजर्टिव भी बोल सकते हैं या तो हम इसको डिक्लेरेटिव भी बोल सकते हैं. सो अ टेलिंग सेंटेंस गिव्स अ स्टेटमेंट. ऐसा सेंटेंस जो स्टेटमेंट देता हो. दैट मीन्स वी कैन से सेंटेंस विच सिंपली स्टेट और से समथिंग. ऐसा सेंटेंस जो कुछ बताता हो या सिंपली कुछ बोलता हो, उसको हम डिक्लेरेटिव या एजर्टिव सेंटेंस बोलते हैं. अब ये एंड होता है फुल स्टॉप से. हेलो, माय नेम इज मैथ. फुल स्टॉप. ये एंड किससे होता है? फुल स्टॉप से. नाउ कम टू इंटरोगेटिव. अब इंटरोगेटिव से ही आपको पता चल जा रहा है कि ये क्वेश्चन मार्क वाले सेंटेंसेस होते हैं. सो दे आस्क क्वेश्चन. द sentences that ask question to us are called interrogative sentences and ends with question mark. Now come to exclamatory. अब आप बोलेंगे exclamatory sentences क्या होते हैं? तो now exclamatory sentences. तो exclamatory sentences are the sentences which express some strong feelings and ends with an exclamation mark. They are called exclamatory sentences. ऐसे sentences जिसमें हम अपनी strong feelings बताते हो. Like wow, what a beautiful dress. तो wow के बाद exclamation mark लगा. वैसे ही यहाँ पे लिखा है राइटिंग इज द बेस्ट टाइम ऑफ द डे, एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क। ये एंड किससे होता है? एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क से। नाउ imperative sentence. So dear kids, what do you mean by imperative sentence? ऐसे सेंटेंस जिसमें कमांड, रिक्वेस्ट और एडवाइस हो, जिसमें क्या हो? कमांड, रिक्वेस्ट और एडवाइस। दे आर कॉल्ड imperative sentences. ऐसे सेंटेंस जिसमें हम या तो कमांड देते हो, या तो रिक्वेस्ट करते हो, या तो एडवाइस देते हो, उन सब में हम imperative सेंटेंस बोलते हैं। और उन सब वो सब किससे एंड होता है? फुल स्टॉप, एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क। सो लेट्स सी द एक्सरसाइज पोर्शन। कम टू पेज नंबर 3, एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1. Rearrange the group of words to form sentences, and the first one is, here what we have to do is, सारे sentence jumble up है, it means इधर उधर दिए गए हैं words। अब इन words को हमको properly arrange करना है। So come on, let's get started with our first exercise. With sentence letter begins always capital, so we will write sentence, 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 always, 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 begin with capital letter. Alright, now come to the next one. Grandmother's key on our table the. So we will write grandmother first because it's a naming word. And it's a subject over here. Grandmother's key are on the table. Now come to the next one. In third question, there is one correction, and that correction is cut the first A and instead of that A, write it down is. Alright. And then write it down. Rita is wearing a pink skirt. A pink skirt. Now come to the fourth one. Is bird peacock a national award? Turn the page for writing answer. So we will write peacock is our national bird. As you all know that peacock is our national bird. Now come to fifth one. 7 is a color rainbow there a. So we will write there are 7 colors in a rainbow. Alright. Now question number 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 is your homework. These questions are similar to the earlier one. What we have to do is they all are jumbled with the words and we have to write it down in a correct manner. I hope that this exercise is easy and you will able to do it. ये हमने पहले भी कर चुके हैं ये वाली एक्सरसाइज जब हम सेंटेंस वाला चैप्टर कर रहे थे, तो ये उससे रिलेटेड ही है। तो डियर किड्स, आपको डरने की जरूरत नहीं है, ये बहुत ही इजी एक्सरसाइज है एंड आई नो दैट यू ऑल विल एबल टू कंप्लीट इट। ऑलराइट, नाउ टर्न द पेज एंड कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। There are mainly 4 types of sentences in English. जैसा कि हमने पहले ही देखा, there are 4 types of sentences. They are declarative और assertive. यहाँ पे भी आप assertive लिख दो so that आपको पता चलेगा कि declarative और assertive दोनों सेम होता है. Then interrogative, exclamatory and imperative. Now I read the following sentences and identify their kinds. अब हमको इन सेंटेंसेस के काइंड्स को आइडेंटिफाई करना है, तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। आई हैव 2 पेट डॉग्स। ये डिक्लेयर कर रहा मीन्स हमें कुछ बता रहा है, सो इट्स अ डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस, सो राइट इट डाउन, डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस। और यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट assertive sentence. Make an exclamation, extend the line, make an extra line and extend that line and write it down, assertive sentence. Alright, now have you finished the report? It's an interrogative sentence. Why? Because it's asking a question, so we will write interrogative sentence. Then come to the next one. Where have you been all this while? It's also an interrogative sentence, so we will again write interrogative sentence. It hasn't stopped raining since yesterday. Now ये सेंटेंस भी क्या है? डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस, सिंपली स्टेट कर रहा है that it hasn't stopped raining since yesterday. So we will write what? Declarative sentence, or we can also write assertive sentence. Assertive sentence simply हमें बता रहा है she landed out of the window. It's also a declarative sentence, so write it down, declarative sentence. Or you can write assertive sentence. Listen to me. 6th one is listen to me. So it's a command, so it is what? It is imperative sentence, so we will write imperative sentence. As you all know that imperative sentence क्या बताता है हमें? कमांड, रिक्वेस्ट एंड एडवाइस के लिए हम यूज करते हैं imperative. Now don't make noise. It's again a command, so we will write imperative sentence. Now come to the next one. Ouch! I have cut my chin. I have cut my chin. So it's a exclamatory sentence. Why? Because we had used exclamation mark and we are saying or sharing our feeling, so we will write exclamatory sentence. Now come to 9th one. We must not tolerate injustice. It's an advice, so we will write imperative sentence. After that, the last one is open the box. It is what? It's a command, so we will again write imperative sentence. So here we go. We have completed page number 4 and page number 5. Page number 4 is your homework and page number 5, question number 2 we had completed, and tomorrow we will do page number 6 and proceed with the. So tomorrow we are going to do this 2 page, alright, and proceed with the next chapter, that is chapter number 3. Till then, bye, take care, thank you.